Welcome to this completely renovated semi-detached villa in the established neighborhood of Los Balcones. We begin outside on the private 397 square meter plot. The exterior features a south-facing orientation and a centerpiece 12 by 3 meter private swimming pool. To the side, you'll find a dedicated storage room, adding practical utility to the outdoor living space. Large panoramic windows serve as the transition between the garden and the interior. Moving inside, the open-plan living and dining area is designed for maximum natural light. The modern, minimalist aesthetic is paired with high-quality finishes and a functional layout that maximizes the sense of space. The American-style kitchen is fully integrated into the social area and comes completely ready for use, equipped with a dishwasher, oven, and microwave. On this main level, we find the first of 3 bedrooms. It is located conveniently near the first modern bathroom, which features a walk-in shower and high-quality fixtures. Moving up a few steps to the slightly elevated wing of the home, there are 2 additional bedrooms. One of these serves as a master suite, featuring a dedicated walk-in closet for additional storage. These rooms share access to a second, elegantly finished bathroom. This property is located in a quiet residential area of Los Balcones, close to local hospitals, supermarkets, and schools, with easy access to the beaches of Torrevieja. A brand new, modern home ready for immediate move-in. Visit our website for more details on this Los Balcones villa and subscribe for the latest real estate updates in Costa Blanca. Thank you for watching.